Hey everybody, it's Dan over at Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grills. It's going to be a really interesting day. We got pot roast. So what we done was we got a couple nice big size chuck roasts here. This is a 3-pounder, this is a 4-pounder. We seasoned it with some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, and one of our favorite barbecue seasonings. So what we're doing is we got the 4250, the new Pellet Pro 4250 outside right now. Set to 225, got the circulation fan on and the heavy D for some extra smoke. We're going to smoke these for about 3 to 4 hours until the internal temperature gets to about 165, and then we're going to put it all in one pan with some vegetables. We got carrots, celery, onion, and potato. We seasoned these already with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic, and some Hogg Toss seasoning. That's really good. Check that out. So we're going to put these on right now. We'll be outside in just a little bit. Perfect. So it's been just a couple hours now. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, look at the color. It's getting a nice little bit of bark on there. What we're going to do is we're going to spritz these down with some apple juice and apple cider vinegar just to help keep them nice and moist and adds a little bit of flavor. So we're going to spritz them down. And I'm going to do that probably once more before we take those off to put them back in the pan. So yeah, every hour, every couple hours, we're going to spritz them down. So we'll be back in a little. All right, so the pan temp is at 165 right now. We brought out our vegetables and our broth. So we're going to put the meat in here with the broth also. Oh man, look at the color on that. Beautiful. So we're just going to take these, put it right in the pan with the veggies. Push them down pretty good. And then we're going to add our broth on top of that. Ooh, it's going to be a good dinner. Perfect. So, and obviously all of our drippings kind of dried off, so we're just going to toss that for right now. This is lean meat, so it didn't really render a lot of fat. We're going to move this rack down a little bit. Put our foil on here. And before I do that, I want to probe this meat because we got to get this meat back up to 205 is what we're looking for, 205. So put that right in the center. Kind of cover this up nicely. Keep going. And once everything's covered up, we'll let her go. Yeah, keep it at 225. It's going to take another, I'd say about 3 to 4 hours until it gets up to temperature. So we'll be right back once we get there. Okay, everybody. So looks like we got to leave for the day, but it's almost at temp. We're gonna, let's take a little pic here. Look at that. Look at the steam. Oh, look at the color. That is going to be good. So we're going to put this in the Cambro, let it rest for a bit, and then it'll be ready to eat for a little bit dinner tonight. So again, check us out at SmokeDaddyInc.com, Pellet Pro Grills, and if you need anything, let us know.